Hello guys, let's learn some 2D shapes. Let's get started. Square, triangle, circle, pentagon, nanogon, decagon. Colors name: blue color, green color, dark green color, peach color, sky blue color, black color, gray color, yellow color, brown color, purple color, red color, pink color, orange color, parrot green color, green color, square, yellow color, triangle, orange color, circle, parrot green color, pentagon, brown color, nanogon, blue color, decagon, square, triangle, circle, pentagon, nanogon, decagon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you soon in the next